Another type of evidence that you may encounter, especially if you are filing a claim or appealing for individual unemployability, is employment information. So when you apply for individual unemployability, you fill out the VA Form 8940. And that's the form that asks what disabilities prevent you from working, when you stopped working, and any places that you have worked for the prior 5 years. When you list that information, the VA then sends the VA Form 4192 to those employers that were listed. What that form does, it asks the employers to provide information about your past work. So the dates that you worked, the position that you worked, the pay that you received, if you were given any specific accommodations due to disability, or if you stopped working due to disability. Just because a lot of times the employers will say no, just because they weren't aware of any disability. That doesn't mean that you can't get individual unemployability, or that the VA doesn't believe that you stopped working because of a disability. I do just want to caution you on that. Just if the employer did not specifically know or was informed of your disability, they just didn't have any knowledge of it. A lot of times as well, I have seen these sent. The 4192 will be sent to companies where you used to work, but perhaps the records are gone or the company has been sold, and the person filling out the information, filling out the form, just simply doesn't know the information. Again, that's not something that will mean your claim has to be denied, but just is something to be aware of.